Namaste, welcome to Sesrekha's kitchen. Today I am making Undrallu or Kudumulu with Jowar. To make Jowar Kudumulu, I took 1 cup of whole Jowar and washed them thoroughly. After washing, I drained the water and spread them on a kitchen towel to dry. So now I am going to grind this Jowar to get my rava. Rava is nothing but cracked Jowar. After grinding in the medium speed, this is how it looks. If you grind it in the high speed, you will get more fine flour. But for this recipe, we want a kind of rava. So I did it in the medium speed. But I still have some fine flour in this. I can separate it by sifting it, or I can just leave it. I am going to leave it. It will help in binding. I took 2 and 1/4 cup of water for boiling. I soaked 1/4 cup of moong dal. You can use moong dal or chana dal. I am adding soaked moong dal to the boiling water. Adding some salt. You also need to add 1 teaspoon of oil or ghee, but I forgot and added later. I am adding 1 cup of jawar rava while stirring with the other hand. I used 1 cup of rava, 1/4 cup of moong dal and 2 and 1/4 cup of water. Cook it covered on low medium flame. I added 1 teaspoon of ghee and mixed it well. The ghee helps in not forming the lumps. The procedure will be the same if you are using rice rava, but the jawar rava needs little bit more water and little bit longer to cook. Continue cooking on low flame until all the moisture is gone. While it is cooking on low flame, I am going to fry some cumin seeds. I have taken 1 tablespoon of ghee in a small pan. When the ghee is hot, add some cumin seeds and curry leaves. This gives very nice flavor and taste for Kudumulu. Keep this aside. Now this is all cooked. I am going to transfer this into a plate. If there is no fine flour in the rava, it will come out more fluffy. Now add the ghee with cumin seeds and curry leaves. Combine well with ghee. Now shape them into a round ball which we call Undrallu or Kudumulu. Now I am going to steam them. For steaming, you can use any kind of steamer or idli plates. I have this kind of steamer, so I greased it and placed all the undrallu. With 1 cup of rava, I made 12 undrallu. Here I have 1 cup of water boiling. I'm going to place this vessel on top of this boiling water and steam for about 5 minutes on high medium flame. After 5 minutes, I'm going to take them out. Now they look more soft and they are easily digestible. And of course, the jawar is much healthier than rice. These are very tasty with the ghee, cumin seeds, and curry leaves. And you can eat as many as you want. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, please share.